My name's Rick Stover. I work for Gradiant Corporation. We're based in Woburn, Massachusetts, near Boston. So I'm running their membrane division, membrane systems division. And we have a new technology called counterflow RO, which is also a brine concentration technology, but it uses RO membranes. Everybody thinks of desalination and they know that it takes a lot of energy. That's seawater desalination. The rest of the world does desalination on brackish and industrial water. And there it's really not as much an energy problem as a recovery problem. And you want to get to very high recovery rates because the brine produced from the process is very expensive to deal with. So you'll see here at the AMTA meeting, the AMTA conference, at least half the technical papers presented are dealing with trying to get higher recovery and trying to deal with the brine from an inland brackish desalination process. There are a lot of municipal projects and industrial projects with brine waste streams that are expensive to deal with and difficult to deal with. In fact, there's a lot of inland desalination projects that simply are not viable because they don't have a place to put the brine. So the way we are able to operate RO membranes at such high salinities and at moderate pressures is the counterflow RO process, the CFRO process. And the technology we use put a saline solution on the permeate side of the membrane and on the feed side of the membrane. And what that does is reduces the osmotic barrier. So if we're desalinating, for example, a 20% salt solution, we might put a 15% salt solution on the other side. And that makes the difference in osmotic pressure not as big, and then we're able to use 1,000 psi to pump permeate flow through. And then these modules are arranged in stages, so one stream is diluting in one direction, and in the counterflow direction, the stream is concentrating. So we're able to start with 7% salt, 70,000 parts per million, concentrate it up to 250,000 parts per million, and then produce a stream of pure RO permeate, so 0% salt solution coming out of the other end.